Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about some basic topics in pediatrics, that is growth of a child. So starting off with the height, when a child is born, the average length of the child at birth. So you all know this, okay? So length of a child at birth is 50 centimeter. That is 48 to 50. So we take this 50 centimeter. You can remember that easily, okay? When a child becomes 1 year of age, the weight in height there will be a increment. There will be a 50% increment in the height. So what is 50% of 50 centimeter? It is 25. So 50 plus 25, it is 75 centimeter. Okay. So during the first year, the child's height length will be, not the height, it is the length will be 75 centimeter. Okay. When does the height doubles? So when does the height doubles? It will be doubled by 4 years of age. So on doubling, it is 100 centimeter at 4 years of age. When does it get triples? It triples by 12 years of age. Tripling meaning it is 150 centimeter. This all can be asked in your NEET PG questions also. So length of a child at birth is 50 centimeter. At 1 year, the fastest increment of the height will be only during the first year of life, that is 50% increment, with the length being 75 centimeter. The length doubles by 4 years of age, triples by 12 years of age. Next is the formula for length. So how will you calculate the expected length of a child between 2 to 12 years of age group? Okay, you have to tell the child is stunted or not. Okay, the child is stunted or not, you will be using your growth chart, right? So likewise, here you have a formula. So the formula is the expected height equal to age of a child into 6, age in years, okay, age of a child into 6 plus 77. This is the formula. It is expected heights formula. For example, we will calculate if a child is we will calculate if the child is 4 years of age, okay. When you calculate 4 into 6 plus 77, roughly you will get 24. So 24 plus 77 will be 101 centimeter. So you have got it, the 100 centimeter, okay. So the doubling of the height will be at 4 years of age, okay. So this is the formula for a child with the expected height. How we are going to calculate it is age into 6 plus 77. Next we will see the weight. So weight of a child. Here the main NEET PG questions what all can be asked is doubling of the weight. When does the weight doubles? When does the weight will triple? When the weight quadruples? When does the weight becomes 5 times of the birth weight? Okay, this can be your question first. Before that, in a term child, okay, in a term child, nearly 10% of the weight will be lost. 10% of the weight will be lost during the first 2 weeks of life. Then only the child will start to regain the weight, okay, during the first 2 weeks of life, okay. So you remember term child 10%, 10, okay. T, another T. When does the child start to regain this birth weight? So regaining of birth weight is by 10 to 14 days. Okay, you remember it as 10. Okay, so term child 10% of the weight is being lost during the first 2 weeks of life, and birth weight will be regained at 10 days or between 10 to 14 days. Okay, so this is first point. Next, second point is during the first 3 months. So during the first 3 months of life, the child will increase its weight by 30 grams per day. Okay, during the first 3 months. Next, during the next 3 months, during the next 3 months of life, child will regain its weight by 20 grams per day. Okay, next, for the next 6 months, the child will regain its weight by 12 grams per day. Okay, So this can also be your NEET PG question. Okay. So first 3 months it is 30 grams per day. For the next 3 months it is 20 grams per day. For next 6 months it is 12 gram per day. So this is the initial birth. How the child progresses from the birth. Next, this doubling, tripling, quadruples and 5 times. So when does the weight doubles? It is by 5 months. Doubling is by 5 months. Triples by 1 year of age. Quadruples by 2 years of age. And it becomes 5 times by 3 years of age. You have to remember these. These can be asked as a one-liners for you. Okay. And next, another trick for your how can you remember the expected weight of the child. Okay. So in average, you remember in first year the child should be 10 kg. Then going on with the even numbers 12, 14, 16 and 18. This is weight. Okay. This is age. So you bring it as only even numbers. It is in 2 years the child should be 12 kg. 3 years the child should be 14. By 4 years the child should be 16. And by 5 years the child should be of 18 kg. Okay. This trick you can remember, or you can calculate with the formula. Like how for height we have formula, likewise we have formula for weight. That is called as Witt's formula. So in which formula, first for child between 3 months to 12 months of age, it is age in month plus 9 divided by 2. Okay, it is age in month plus 9 divided by 2 for the child between 3 months to 12 months of age group. Next, for a child between 1 year till 6 years of age, it is 2x. X is age of a child in age plus 8. It is 2x plus 8 for a child between 1 to 6 years of age. Next, for a child between 7 years to 12 years of age group, it is 7 into x minus 5 divided by 2. X is age of a child in the age. Okay, so this is the Witt formula. It is for 3 months to 12 months, it is age in months plus 9 by 2. For 1 to 6 year, it is 2x plus 8. For 7 to 12 years, it is 7x minus 5 by 2. So this is about the weight calculation and the weight gain of the child from the birth. Next, we will see for head circumference. Head circumference is also an easy one. When a child is born, the average head circumference the head circumference will be between 33 to 35 centimeter, or you can keep it as 34 in between. Okay, it is 33 to 35 centimeter for first 3 months. For first 3 months of the life, there will be an increase in head size from 2 centimeter per month. Okay, next, for so by third month, the child's head circumference will be around 40 centimeter. Okay, next, for the next 3 months, it is 1 centimeter. There will be an increase of 1 centimeter per month. So at the end of 6th month, the head circumference, average head circumference will be 43 centimeter. Next, for the next 6 months, the increment will be 0.5 centimeter per month. So the increment will be 0.5 centimeter per month. So average head size will be at 1 year of age is 46 centimeter. At 2 years of age, the average head circumference will be 48 centimeter, because throughout this whole year there will be an increment of only 2 centimeter per year. That year will be only 2 centimeter per year. So at 2 years, the head circumference will be 48 centimeter. At 12 years of age, the child's head circumference will be 52 centimeter. Okay, so this is about the head circumference. In head circumference will not double, triple or quadruple. Okay, so the examiner in your Viva can ask to confuse you, when will the head circumference can be doubled. Head circumference will not be doubled. Okay, so this is about the basics in pediatrics about the height, weight and head circumference. Thank you. Let's all discuss about next basic topic in a next video. Thank you. Let's all learn pediatric together.